Francis and Illuminato cross the corpse-strewn battlefield.
Wait, please! Please! Wait, we're ambassadors! We come in peace! We come in peace!
The
Please!
startled guards almost kill them. Francis shouts that he's an ambassador of Christ.
Speak to the Sultan.
Maybe this man is bringing news about the Sultan's treaty.
Please.
Who is this?
I am an emissary
With news from the King of Rome?
for the King of the universe.
Is it to be peace then?
The greatest peace of all, I pray.
Stop the riddles. Is it yes or no?
It's neither. He isn't sent by their leader. Isn't that right?
No, I come for Christ. I come to preach. I come for peace.
It's an insult. If this is their answer, we should kill them.
Come. Sit with me. Bring them some food.
I think that Francis must have been surprised at what he experienced among the Muslim people, because the popular notion was that Muslims were heathens. They were considered the enemy, of course, and more strongly, they were considered beasts.
After this encounter in the tent of the Sultan, Francis and Illuminato were pretty much given free rein to walk and to be and to live in the camp for a few weeks.
These two were indeed seeking peace in the midst of war, so they were open to being transformed by the person who was allegedly their enemy.
One account says that Francis offered to walk through fire to prove the truth of the gospel. The Sultan declined the demonstration, but said that Francis could address his court.
Francis would have heard the call to prayer 5 times a day. I believe in watching Muslims pray, men and women, 5 times daily, that it really struck Francis unexpectedly. I don't think he was expecting to see this, to know this, but I think it profoundly moved him.
مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين
In the name of God, the merciful and compassionate, glory be to God, the Lord of the worlds, the merciful and compassionate King of the day of judgment. It is you alone we worship. It is you alone we ask for help.
Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil.